guys, hey, what's up, guys? But yeah, y'all haven't seen me in a while. Well, y'all see my face like, what was it, sometime this week, but I haven't made a haul video for you guys in a really long time. He does not look happy right now, does he? Or now he does. He likes to be on camera sometimes. Look at his face. But yeah, this is Teddy, by the way. If y'all never seen Teddy before, yeah, this is him. But yeah, I haven't did a haul for you guys in a long time, and I recently just got a package. I was super excited. That's why I didn't really, you know, I just put on a hoodie. I do that anyway, like with my videos. But yeah, I have a haul for you guys from rainbowshops.com. I ordered this like sometime last week, I believe, and it just came in today, and I was so excited to like show you guys everything that I got. I did open it already, even though I wanted to do like an unboxing with you guys. I only opened one thing, so the rest of this video can be like a surprise for you and me both. But I'm gonna show you guys the one thing that I did open, which was these boots right here. I got them in a size 8 because normally when I buy like shoes online, I like to sometimes do a size up just in case, because I'm normally a size 7.5, so I was like, let me go half up just in case. And to be honest, I feel like I probably could have went up a little bit more, because I mean, it fits okay, but like if I want to wear like some thick socks, I probably should have got like another half size up, you know, like them fuzzy socks. I like to wear those, by the way. But yeah, this is, I guess this is the brand Rouge. I don't know where Rainbow be getting their shoes and boots from, but I really like these, especially with this like sweater detail right here. I guess it's inspired by like the Tim boot or something like that. It kind of looks like them. I'm so sorry, Teddy. He's like sitting right here. Sorry if you guys hear like my fan is on, so if you hear, oh crap. Sorry. My light just shut off. Okay. So if you hear like that's my fan. But yeah, let's get into the rest of this. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. Okay, oh, so this is a hoodie that I got. Look at him. He's freaking out. Dang, he just jumped off of the thing. Okay, so I got this hoodie. I actually got this from the plus size section because I like my stuff to be a little bit bigger. So hopefully this fits me well. Yeah, I got it in I think a 1X. It's like in this nice pink mauve color, I guess. And I really like this detail on the string. So yeah, I got this hoodie. It should fit me pretty nice. Rainbow's clothes be like super small on me sometimes. Like if I get it from like the just the regular ladies section, it'd be too small for me, so I decided, let's see what I can get from the plus side, because I like my stuff to be big anyway. I got these pants. I got I'm trying to talk and open at the same time. I probably can't even hear me. Okay, so these pants are actually from the regular ladies section, but I got them in an extra large. Like I said, like Rainbow stuff don't be fitting me right. So you gotta make sure you size up. Okay, what does it say on here? Wings? I thought it said wings. But yeah, these nice like burgundy joggers. It has detail on the side with like checker. It says love always wins on the side right here. And even the tie thing right here is checkered. You guys, you're probably like, why are you getting extra large? You look small. Okay, I might be small a little bit, but like my bottom area is a little bit, y'all know how it goes. You know how it goes. Anyways, I like my stuff to be, I keep saying that, I like my stuff to be on the bigger side anyway, even if it is too big for me. I don't really like to wear super tight clothes. So, okay, the next thing here, if I can open it, is another pair of joggers. On the side here, it says blessed. It's like a bluish, like a navy blue color. Yeah, these will fit me so nice. And oh, even this says blessed on there. I love these. I can't wait to try them on. I know they're gonna fit though, because just look at them. You know, like when you could just look at something and be like, yeah, this is definitely gonna fit me. So yeah, I got those. Okay, y'all. The last 3 things I got. Oh boy. Oh, did they forget me? They actually forgot one. So I was supposed to get. Okay, so let me just show you guys. The last 3 things that were in the bag were these perfumes from Rainbow. I've gotten some perfumes from Rainbow before, like as a gift, and they smell okay. Some of them are a little strong for my taste. This one is all like smushed. What the heck? This one is Viva Las Vegas Sweet. I'm pretty sure these are inspired by like Viva La Juicy or something like that. Let me open this. I kind of just want to see what it smells like. Jeez. Let's see. Okay. Whoa. Nothing too spectacular, really. I would say. I mean, it doesn't really smell like anything to me. So, I don't know if I really recommend this one just yet. I will probably do a review on each one of these so you guys know my true, what do you call it, like thought on it. Let's see this. This one is actually a perfume. This one was just a fragrance mist. It smells nothing like Bath and Body Works. That was only $2.99, by the way. Oh, the joggers were $9.99 each, and I think the hoodie was too. Okay, let's look at this perfume. I might have to stop so I can get more space on my phone. Can I smell already? Look at the bottle though, you guys. Wow, the bottle is stunning. Now the scent, I'm just gonna spray it in the box because I'm super sensitive to some scents. Okay, it has like a floral scent to it, and y'all know how I am with floral, but it's not like that much where I feel like I'm gonna freaking. It's a very interesting scent. I can't really describe it, but I'm trying to think if it's actually something I would wear. Maybe not, maybe. But yeah, this is the Sweetheart LA. The packaging is amazing. So, should I stop it so I can get more space? Let me do this first and then I'll stop it. Okay, this one is called Mysterious Party. Actually, I think I will stop it. Hold on. Okay, I have a little bit more time left. Oh, okay. This packaging is really pretty. It's like pink and cool with like this disco thing on the back. I didn't even show y'all the back of this one. It's like, I guess, a picture of LA buildings. I don't know. Okay. I'm so nervous about this. I don't know, you guys. Okay, this one is actually a lot better. I like this one. Kind of. I wish they would tell me like what it's inspired by. Cause normally they would tell you, but it's not trying to tell me. Because these are like dupes for like other brands. I'm going to actually spray this on my wrist. See what they got going on. It kind of has like a sweet smell to it, to be honest. I think it smells okay. I think I like this scent better than I like this scent, but this bottle is definitely a lot better. But yeah, you guys, I'm actually missing a perfume. There was supposed to be another perfume in here. It was like called Rockstar or something like that. I'm actually really disappointed because they don't have it on here. Yeah, they must have ran out of that scent. LA, Viva, Las Vegas. Yeah, they must have ran out of that one. I don't see that they charged me for it, which is good. Okay, that's fine. So I'm just glad I don't have to actually contact anybody. I don't like to do that. But yeah, you guys, I think this is gonna be all for this video. I'm gonna I mean, you can probably just find all of these items on rainbowshops, but if you guys want me to link everything, I will. But anyways, yeah, you guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.